future of war is here. The US military has just unveiled shocking new AI-powered combat drones and robotic soldiers that could change warfare forever. These cutting-edge war machines can think, adapt, and fight with minimal human input. Are we witnessing the dawn of autonomous warfare? Let's dive in. Anduril's Bolt-M is a next-generation vertical takeoff and landing UAV that holds considerable potential for the future of the US military. Part of the Bolt family of drones, the Bolt-M is designed for multi-role missions, combining reconnaissance, surveillance, and strike capabilities. The Bolt-M can loiter in a target area for extended periods, waiting for the perfect moment to strike, making it a highly versatile loitering munition, also known as a kamikaze drone. Its autonomy is powered by Anduril's Lattice platform, an AI system that allows the Bolt-M to identify and track targets independently, enabling missions with minimal human input. For the US military, loitering munitions like the Bolt-M are crucial as warfare trends towards smaller, more agile, and autonomous systems. Its V2L capability allows it to be launched from nearly any terrain, making it ideal for special operations, light infantry, and maritime missions. These features enable forces to conduct real-time ISR and execute precision strikes without needing large infrastructure like runways. With a range of 20 kilometers and a flight time of 40 minutes, the Bolt-M serves both as an ISR asset and a strike platform, bridging the gap between traditional drones and manned aircraft. The Bolt-M can carry up to 3 pounds of payload, meaning it can be equipped with a variety of sensors or weapons depending on the mission. However, the Bolt-M's affordability poses a challenge for large-scale deployment. Advanced systems like this, which integrate AI and loitering munitions, are costly. While the technology offers significant tactical advantages, its high price may limit its use to special operations or elite units, rather than becoming a standard tool across the entire US military. Looking ahead, the Bolt-M reflects a broader shift in US military strategy toward autonomous systems and multi-domain operations. As adversaries like China and Russia continue to develop their own advanced drones, maintaining a technological edge is critical for the US military. Another US-made drone has been released this week by Aivolution. The P550 is a groundbreaking all-electric vertical takeoff and landing drone that boasts exceptional endurance, versatility, and firepower. Capable of flying for 5 hours on a single charge, the P550 is an efficient solution for long-range reconnaissance and tactical strike missions. Its all-electric design not only provides sustainability and operational cost advantages, but also makes the P550 more suitable for missions requiring low acoustic and thermal signatures, enhancing its stealth capabilities in contested environments. The drone's VTOL capability makes it adaptable to different terrains, allowing it to launch and land without a runway, a crucial advantage for military units operating in difficult or remote locations. It also features a modular payload system, which allows it to carry up to 2 pounds of ordnance. This payload includes precision-guided bombs, enabling the P550 to carry out precision strike missions in addition to its surveillance role. Weighing only 55 pounds, the P550 can carry lightweight, precision strike munitions, such as Aivolution's Switchblade 300 loitering munition. This makes it an ideal platform for both ISR and tactical combat applications. The P550's adaptability for varied mission sets, coupled with Aivolution's proven expertise in drone technology, positions this UAV as a potential game-changer for military operations that require both reconnaissance and strike capabilities. Meet the XQ-58A Valkyrie, an advanced AI fighter jet that is capable of performing complex operations with remarkable efficiency. This cutting-edge aircraft can engage in air combat autonomously, managing intricate tasks without human intervention. Recent test flights took place at the prestigious U.S. Air Force Test Pilot School in California, where these AI systems were put to the test against experienced human pilots in a challenging environment. The AI-controlled jets have demonstrated superior reaction times and exceptional maneuverability, frequently outperforming human pilots in simulated dogfights. These sophisticated AI systems enhance situational awareness and improve tactical decision-making by utilizing machine learning algorithms and real-time data analysis. Back in 2020, similar technological advancements were achieved, although they were confined to a simulated environment. Human pilots reported that AI jets executed unexpected and highly effective maneuvers, providing critical insights that are invaluable for further technological development and refinement. The Teal-2 is an advanced, compact drone designed by Teal Drones, a subsidiary of Red Cat Holdings. The Teal-2 is built for tactical reconnaissance and surveillance, offering real-time intelligence to military and law enforcement agencies. One of the standout features of the Teal-2 is its night vision capability, which is enhanced by its integration with the latest thermal imaging technology. This allows the drone to operate effectively in low-light conditions, providing critical situational awareness in environments where traditional drones may struggle. The Teal-2 is equipped with a sophisticated suite of sensors, including high-resolution cameras and thermal imaging systems, which enable it to capture detailed images and videos, even in complete darkness. Another key aspect of the Teal-2 is its portability and ease of deployment. The drone is lightweight and compact, allowing it to be easily transported and quickly deployed in the field. This makes it an ideal tool for tactical units that require immediate aerial reconnaissance. The B-21 Raider is the U.S. Air Force's next-generation stealth bomber, poised to replace the aging fleet of B-2 Spirits and B-52 Stratofortresses. Developed by Northrop Grumman, the B-21 is a pivotal element in America's future air power, designed to conduct both conventional and nuclear strikes. Its cutting-edge stealth capabilities enable it to penetrate advanced, heavily defended airspaces, making it highly effective against sophisticated enemy air defense systems. As a dual-capable aircraft, the B-21 is equipped to deliver a wide range of munitions, including precision-guided conventional bombs and nuclear warheads. Moreover, its ability to deploy both types of weapons from a stealth platform ensures that the B-21 can remain effective in both limited conflicts and full-scale wars, deterring aggression across multiple theaters. The Raider also incorporates advances in avionics, communications, and sensor technologies, allowing it to operate in highly contested environments while maintaining superior situational awareness. The Ghost X has been chosen by the U.S. Army for its company-level SUAS-directed requirement, a pivotal decision reflecting the evolving landscape of unmanned aerial systems. Developed by Anduril Industries, Ghost X builds upon the capabilities of its predecessor, Ghost, with enhanced versatility and adaptability for complex military operations. Ghost X is designed to meet the U.S. Army's demand for a lightweight, modular, and rapidly deployable UAS. It features a plug-and-play payload system that enables it to switch between different mission profiles, such as surveillance, reconnaissance, target acquisition, and even limited strike capabilities. One of the standout features of Ghost X is its multi-mission capability, including real-time intelligence gathering, threat detection, and tactical reconnaissance. This makes it suitable for a variety of operations, from counterinsurgency to large-scale conventional warfare. The system also has a high degree of autonomy, allowing it to operate with minimal human intervention, thus freeing up personnel for other critical tasks. Ghost X's versatility extends to its launch and recovery systems, enabling it to be deployed from various platforms, including ground vehicles and naval vessels. This flexibility is critical for modern military operations, where the ability to adapt to different environments and mission requirements is key to success. Another intriguing innovation from Anduril is the high-speed autonomous drone Roadrunner. This new development can assess potential threats, intercept, and destroy enemy flying objects. Equipped with dual turbojet engines, the Roadrunner can reach near supersonic speeds of approximately 700 miles per hour. It launches vertically from a climate-controlled nest, allowing it to operate for months in harsh field conditions. Squadrons of Roadrunners can be deployed to evaluate threats detected by radar or humans. If the threat is real, the Roadrunner, armed with a warhead, can intercept and destroy it, sacrificing itself in the process. However, if the threat is a false alarm, the drone can return to base, landing vertically on its tail. Despite its self-destructive capability, the Roadrunner is designed to be reusable, which partially justifies its cost of a few $1,000s per unit. The MH-139 Grey Wolf is the U.S. Air Force's latest addition to its rotary wing fleet, developed as a replacement for the aging UH-1 and Huey. Designed by Boeing and Leonardo, this helicopter is built on the proven platform of the AW-139, a highly reliable and versatile helicopter that has been in service globally in various civilian and military roles. The Grey Wolf boasts a range of improvements over its predecessor, including a 50% increase in speed, payload, and range. This gives the helicopter a far greater operational capability, allowing it to cover more ground, carry more personnel or equipment, and stay airborne longer than the UH-1N. One of the standout features of the Grey Wolf is its advanced avionics suite, which provides enhanced situational awareness for the crew. The helicopter is equipped with state-of-the-art navigation, communication, and defensive systems, allowing it to operate in complex, contested environments. It is equipped with advanced threat detection and countermeasure systems, allowing it to evade or neutralize threats such as surface-to-air missiles and small arms fire. This makes the Grey Wolf an ideal platform for operations in hostile environments, where the risk of enemy engagement is high. The Vapor 55 is a cutting-edge helicopter drone designed for versatility in both military and civilian applications. Developed by AeroVironment, a prominent American defense contractor, the Vapor 55 is engineered to handle a variety of tasks, such as infrastructure inspection, aerial photography, public safety, and defense missions. Its design emphasizes payload flexibility and endurance, making it ideal for different operational environments. One of the key features of the Vapor 55 is its payload capacity, which can carry up to 22 pounds of equipment. The drone has a maximum flight duration of 70 minutes, ensuring that it can cover substantial areas during each deployment. In military applications, it can operate at an increased takeoff weight of 65 pounds, enabling it to carry more advanced or heavier equipment, depending on mission requirements. In addition to its payload and endurance capabilities, the Vapor 55 is equipped with advanced navigation and control systems. Operators can choose between automatic or manual control using a GPS-equipped ground control station. For defense purposes, the Vapor 55 offers tactical advantages such as surveillance, reconnaissance, and target acquisition. The UAV's helicopter-style design is well suited for vertical takeoff and landing, meaning it can be deployed in environments with limited space for runway operations. Another drone developed by AeroVironment is the Switchblade 300. The Switchblade is a pioneering loitering munition, often referred to as a kamikaze drone, due to its unique design and operational capabilities. The Switchblade is designed for precision strikes against light armored vehicles, personnel, and other small targets. One of its key features is its portability and ease of use. Weighing just 2.5 kilograms, the Switchblade can be carried in a backpack and deployed by a single soldier, making it an invaluable tool for infantry units operating in the field. The drone is launched from a tube, similar to a mortar, and can be deployed within minutes, providing immediate firepower without the need for traditional artillery or air support. Once airborne, the Switchblade is capable of loitering over the battlefield, waiting for the right moment to strike. It is equipped with a high-resolution electro-optical and infrared camera that provides real-time video feed to the operator, allowing for precise target identification and engagement. The Ghost drone, by Anduril Industries, represents a significant leap in autonomous military technology. Anduril, an American defense technology company founded by Palmer Luckey, has designed the Ghost drone as a cutting-edge, stealthy, and highly versatile unmanned aerial vehicle. This drone is specifically engineered for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, providing real-time situational awareness to military forces on the ground. One of the standout features of the Ghost drone is its advanced autonomous capabilities. It is equipped with powerful artificial intelligence systems that enable it to operate with minimal human intervention. This includes autonomous navigation, target acquisition, and data processing, which allows the drone to adapt to changing mission parameters in real time. The Ghost drone is designed with a low radar cross-section, making it difficult to detect and track by enemy radar systems. This stealth capability is crucial for conducting operations in contested environments where maintaining a low profile is essential. The drone's design also emphasizes endurance and versatility, with the ability to operate in a variety of terrains and weather conditions. Gambit 5 is a cutting-edge unmanned aerial vehicle concept, designed to provide advanced surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities for modern military operations. This drone, developed with a focus on ISR missions, represents the future of unmanned systems with its innovative features and capabilities. The Gambit 5 is characterized by its stealthy design, high endurance, and advanced sensor suite, which together enable it to perform extended operations in hostile environments without being detected. One of the key aspects of the Gambit 5 is its integration of AI and machine learning algorithms, allowing it to process data in real time and make autonomous decisions based on mission parameters. Furthermore, the Gambit 5 is equipped with a modular payload bay that can be customized with various sensors, cameras, and electronic warfare systems, making it highly adaptable to a wide range of missions, from border patrol to deep reconnaissance in contested airspaces. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI and robotics.